There are moments when you open a tool just out of curiosity and then realize it's doing more than you expected, and that's the kind of feeling some people get when they first try Venice AI, because it blends AI chat, content generation, and privacy-focused design into one experience. And as you move from one feature to another, the connection between speed and control becomes more noticeable. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with too many buttons at once, and that simplicity links directly to usability, because you can focus on what you want to create instead of figuring out how to start. The platform is often talked about in terms of privacy and independence, and that idea bridges into how your prompts and outputs are handled, since many users like the feeling that their work isn't constantly tracked for advertising or profiling. While using it, you might jump from asking questions to generating text or brainstorming ideas, and those actions flow together naturally, so one prompt leads into another without breaking your rhythm. The interface usually keeps things minimal, which connects to faster thinking because fewer distractions mean you stay on your task longer. Some people use it for writing drafts, others for learning or planning, and that variety links to its flexibility, since the same tool can support different goals depending on how you guide it. There may be free access with limits and optional paid plans that unlock higher usage, faster responses, or advanced features, and that structure allows casual users to try it while giving heavier users more room to work. The help or support areas usually answer common questions, which keeps the experience smooth if you're new. Over time, using it can feel less like trying an AI and more like having a digital assistant for ideas, because your prompts get clearer, your results get closer to what you want, and the small improvements stack up quietly. You might open it for one quick question, and that turns into outlining a project, and then into refining a paragraph. And somewhere in that process, you realize you've been creating more efficiently than before, and the next idea is already forming while the cursor waits, and the thought just keeps going a little further. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.